At PackRabbit Products, we set out to revolutionize how pack frames are designed, worn, and used by all. 100% made in the USA, our frames represent years of research and development that has led to the creation of state-of-the-art systems designed to deliver the most comfortable, cost-effective, durable, and versatile frames in the market today. One of the frame's key features is the shock-absorbing system, which utilizes tensioners to provide varying degrees of resistance that cushion forward weight transfer and dynamic shock. By varying the configuration of the tensioners, the system can be customized for comfort based on cargo weight and user preference. Removing or replacing the tensioners on a PackRabbit or Mule frame system is an easy process and should take no more than 5 to 10 minutes. The PackRabbit and Mule systems incorporate either one or two pairs of tensioners, located both on the inner and outer portion of the frame's tail sections and held in place by black-coated screws. To remove a tensioner, the black-coated retaining screw must first be removed. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw and set it aside for later use. Next, remove the tensioner. In most cases, the tensioner can be removed by hand. Simply wiggle the tensioner back and forth while pulling upward until it slides free from the mounting post on the tail section. As an alternative, a flathead screwdriver can be used to gently pry the tensioner upward until it slides free from the mounting post. If the tensioner is not going to be replaced, store the tensioner and the retaining screw in a safe place for future use. If replacing or reconfiguring tensioners, the appropriate styles and combinations must be considered based on required resistance. There are two styles of tensioners that may be used, a single heavy-duty tensioner and a split-style tensioner. The heavy-duty style provides the most resistance and is generally used with heavier loads typical of the Mule system. The split style allows for incremental resistance options based on whether one or two of the tension arms are engaged. This style is frequently used on both the PackRabbit and Mule systems. If reconfiguring or replacing tensioners on one tail section, it is important to perform the same procedure on the other. This will ensure that proper balance and proportional resistance is maintained within the pivoting lumbar system. Installing a tensioner is a simple process. When installing a single heavy-duty tensioner, the curved portion will be positioned against the bushing of the pivoting lumbar. The position of the split style will depend solely on the desired level of resistance. Position the circular portion of the tensioner over the mounting post on the tail section. With the pivoting lumbar system forward, apply gentle and downward pressure with the thumb while simultaneously guiding the arm of the tensioner into position behind the bushing. Ensure the tensioner is fully seated behind the bushing and flush on the mounting post of the tail section. Replace the black-coated retaining screw to maintain the tensioner in place, and be sure not to over-tighten. Hand tight is all that is needed. This same process is repeated as needed until complete. Once done, the frame system will again be ready for its next adventure. Whether used by school children, athletes, hunters, or military, PackRabbit Products is dedicated to delivering the very best in product quality. All of our frames are backed with a 5-year unlimited warranty, and all our parts are manufactured here in the US. While your journey through life might lead to many adventures, you'll only need one frame for life.